Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Now I am an illustration about formula. Nina कुलियात वो ज़ाब्ते हैं जिससे ज़रब का अमल आसान और मुख्तसर हो जाता है। हम फ़िलहाल मंजर से कुलियात का मुताला करेंगे। चंद दूसरे कुलियात किसी रकमियों के तकसीम के बाद दिए जाते हैं। फर्स्ट फार्मूला a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Proofs: a plus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Left hand side and that is a right hand side. First formula. Second formula, a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Left hand side is equal to a minus b square is equal to a minus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus ab minus ba plus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square right hand side. Now third formula, a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b is equal to a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. It is right. And now is a fourth formula, x plus 1 or x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b or x plus a b. Left hand side x plus a for x plus b is equal to x square plus xb or plus ax plus ab is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab equal to right hand side. Now 2x plus 3y square. 2x square plus 2x multiply by 3y plus 3y square. 4x square plus 2 g 2 2 ने 4 दिया 12xy plus 9y square. Five formula a plus b square is equal to a minus b square plus 4ab. Proofs right hand side. A minus b square plus 4ab is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 4ab is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b square equal LRS. Sixth formula a minus b square is equal to a plus b square minus 4ab is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab. Seventh formula a plus b plus c square a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Proofs a plus b is equal to d. Right hand side a plus b plus c square is equal to d plus c square is equal to d square plus 2dc plus c square is equal to d की power a plus b square plus 2a plus b c plus c square is equal to a plus 2ab plus b square plus 2ca 2bc plus c square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca right hand side. Kulia and formula number 8. A plus B cube is equal to A3 plus 3A2B plus 3AB square plus B square. Proofs: right hand side A plus B cube is equal to A plus B multiplied by A plus B square is equal to A plus B A square plus 2AB plus B square. It is a formula. A3 plus 2A2B plus AB square plus A2B plus 2AB 2 plus B cube is equal to A3 plus 3A2B plus 3AB2 plus B3. A3 plus B3 plus 3AB A plus B, right hand side. And similarly 1 minus B whole cube is A3 minus 3A2B plus 3AB 2 minus B 3 is equal to 1 3 B3 minus 3 AB minus A minus B. And that is the 10th formula. 1 minus B is equal to A2 minus AB plus B. 2 is equal to 1 3 plus B3. Right left hand side is equal to A plus B is equal to 1 A square minus AB plus B2 is equal to A3 minus A2B plus AB. Formula number 10. A plus B A square minus AB plus B square is equal to A3 plus B3. Left hand side A plus B A2 minus AB plus B2 is equal to A3 minus A2B plus AB square plus A2B minus plus B3 is equal to A3 plus B3 equal to right hand side. Formula number